Cartoon of Adventure Nature. Stop doing weird dances, please.
Well, why you let? Well, you didn't. Well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You at me, please. Okay. Well, my name is Jeff. And that's Annabelle. Her face.
Hey, don't say my real name.
Okay. No, I meant Candychan. And
But they don't know my last name though.
yes, her name.
Her
real name is Annabelle. But
they're gonna change my last name.
I'm not telling you guys her last name.
And her real name is Bud.
Yeah, my name is Bud. My name is Jeffy.
No,
My name is Jeffy.
No.
Just say my real
Her
name
name
is Jeffy.
started A. Please guess.
My name is Jeffy. My name is
No,
Jeffy.
you know how to do it in the morning. Oh.
My name is Jeff. Hey, what you doing? What are you
Nature,
doing?
be quiet.
What?
Let's go to nature because we're sitting on something.
Oh! Okay, no, it's nothing, guys.
Let's go to bed.
No.
No, we're good.
No, we're not recording it though. I'm recording it. Okay, I need to get off recording. Bye guys, we're leaving. I'm not showing someone's face. What? What? I'm recording.
He wants to be.
Okay, bye guys, bye.
No, he wants to be in your video.
Bye.
Yeah, I'm gonna make sure
Hi.
it's on my channel.
Hi.
Hey.
Wait for
Hi.
Yeah. I'm going right now. Of course.
Hi.
Can I go large?
No. No. Hi. I'm recording your grass right now. No, your face in it. You don't want your face in it.
I do. Get your ass.
Okay, fine. You can have your face in it.
Here we
Yeah.
go. We're here.
Because you put it last time.
Here's the nature museum. I'm not gonna show you her face here.
She's not.
Hi. Hi, Vicky. I'm recording you. Okay. This can't go on YouTube yet because I don't have no Wi-Fi to post it. Hi.
Hi. What's your guys' name? Comment down below what your guys' name are.
I only know 12.
She's curious to know. Bye, guys. We're leaving. Bye. Bye. Vicky, say bye.
Bye.
Vicky, say bye.
Bye.
Vicky, say bye.
Say bye.
Say bye. Vicky, say bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye, guys, gang.